So how do you break through into the music industry? Okay, it's a huge question, and although it's not ultimately the first question that artists ask us when they seek help, it basically is the driving force and the motivation behind what it is that they're trying to achieve. So I'm just going to start off by trying to define what we mean by breakthrough. The word breakthrough implies that the music industry is this thing that you need to break into, as though it's a club that you're not part of, or there's a party going on somewhere and you're not invited to it. So it feels like you're on the outside and the music industry is some entity, a big thing that exists over there beyond your reach. You're locked out of it in some way or another. And it's easy to think of yourself that if I can just get into this, everything will be fine. Okay, somebody's going to help me. Once I'm in, there'll be a person or thing or label or someone somewhere is going to make my career happen for me. I just need that breakthrough to happen. So it's easy to fixate on there being this big moment. You're waiting for this big opportunity to come along. You're going to get discovered or noticed, or you're going to go viral, and then it's finally going to happen and you're going to be discovered. So you're waiting for the approval or the recognition of a powerful person or organisation who you think hold the keys to your success. They're going to finally let you in, and then your career is going to happen, and then you'll finally be able to fulfill your own potential. But this idea of a big breakthrough moment is an old-fashioned concept. And yes, to some extent, in the old days, you did need some sort of a breakthrough moment, or you needed someone to approve of you and invest in you and back you in some way, because the costs of recording and distributing and marketing music was huge, usually beyond the means of the average independent emerging artist. So that kind of prevented people from launching their own careers. Okay, but those days are gone, and modern independent artists need to be aware that they can do this for themselves. There is no barrier to entry now. So you're not waiting for the approval of one person or one powerful organisation. What's happened now is you need to seek the support of lots of different people. Instead of just an important person or a label making it happen for you, you now need to realise that the key decision makers who are going to help you build momentum to your career are a variety of different people across all different sectors of the music industry. I'm talking about playlist editors, blog writers, radio presenters and producers, booking agents, promoters, other artists, and so on. And this list will be different for every artist and depending on what your own goals would be. All these people will play a small part in your journey of discovery and growth. So as an emerging independent artist, you need to think that when you're promoting and marketing yourself and running your campaigns, that you're reaching out to all of these various and numerous different people across the music industry. Now, in some ways, this has made things a lot harder, because instead of just getting the support or the investment from one person or organisation who are going to then let you into the music industry club in some way, you now need to seek the support of numerous various different people. But that's okay, because you can do this. It's now possible for you to reach out to all these people yourself and make that happen. So the opportunity that is within your hands and within your grasp is greater than it was before. So the key distinction to try to understand here is that you're not trying to break into the music industry. If you're a musician and you're making music and want to release music, then you're already in the music industry. It's just that you don't have the level of success yet that you're trying to achieve. Okay? You're not breaking in or breaking through into anything. Okay? So stop thinking that the music industry is this one big thing that you're trying to get into and you're stuck outside of it in some way and it's beyond your reach. The music industry is what you build around yourself. It's personal to you and it's different to every artist. So you don't need one key decision maker to help you. What you need are lots of smaller decision makers who can help you get started and offer you some early support to help you build momentum. And that is achievable. You can do that. The music industry is your music industry, and you only need a small part of it working around you and built around you for you to be able to build something big for yourself. So I want you to visualize, not you trying to break in to the music industry as it's something that's over there beyond your reach. I want you to visualize that you are at the center of something and that you're building around yourself. You are the center of your own music business and your own music industry. And this brings me to the final point to understand here. The driving force to making all of this happen is you. The person who really holds the keys to your success and is the gatekeeper, decision maker, mover and shaker that's going to deliver what you really wanted to achieve is yourself. So stop thinking that somebody else is going to unlock your whole career for you, or that you're going to find some lucky big breakthrough moment. Okay, I assure you that the more you work at something, the luckier you're going to be at it. And that the more opportunities that you seek out, the more opportunities that you're going to find. And by building something for yourself, that is the thing that's going to get you noticed and is going to gain you the support that you need to help you on your way and give you some momentum to start your career. I hope you found that useful. If it's helpful for you, then please do comment below. We do love to hear from you, and we really appreciate you liking and sharing our videos. As always, best of luck with your music out there, and we'll see you next time.